The powder we could put on this floor, that was a nice wee waltz we had there for the dancers. So we're going to slow it down again this time with a man here from somewhere, I think he's from Ballymena, and he plays the accordion, and he's a farmer as well. So you know what farmers are like. We always go to Scotland, and I'll say one thing about him, he's always very generous. Always, he's great with us boys in Scotland, that right? Carl's our #1 man in Scotland, isn't he? That's him. But anyway, the wee tune he's going to play is Dark Island. You know, it's a funny thing, we've been going to Scotland now for a couple of years, and these guys can tell you, you would think in Scotland, we go to the west coast of Scotland, you would think them old tunes that people would know them. And I can tell you, and these guys agree with me, on the west coast of Scotland they lost them. And whenever the Grousebeaters go and play them old tunes, young folk and all are just go absolutely, you know, it's really amazing to see. I mean, it all came from Scotland, didn't it, the music? Now we're taking the music back, and that is, the whole west coast of Scotland was like that. So it was nice that we tuned the Dark Island there.